by and take a look at the 2014 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, power brakes, battery saver, braking assist, capless fuel filler system, cruise control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.